Integrated Pain Consultants is a clinic where we take care of patients with acute and chronic pain. Pain can range anywhere from typical back pain, neck pain, joint pain, to cancer pain, neuropathy, or even fractures of certain body parts, specifically the spine. We also take care of patients with nerve and joint pain as well. So when you come to our office, first thing you'll notice is that we have a very warm, pleasant environment. And our goal here at Integrated Pain Consultants is to do a comprehensive evaluation for every patient, and then we come up with a full gamut of interventional to non-interventional treatment options in order to help your pain. We like to figure out the actual cause of their pain and fix that issue as opposed to just masking their pain. We treat every patient as an individual person. And this is very important when picking a doctor or picking a pain management clinic because every patient's underlying pain reason is different. So our physicians are all double board certified. We have the full gamut of multi-specialty trained physicians, and a few of the different options that we have, for example, some of our physicians are trained in addiction medicine, emergency medicine, internal medicine, and then have subspecialties further in pain management and interventional treatment options. Everything is covered by your insurance. Our goal at Integrated Pain Consultants is to get you back to functionality as fast as possible. We have a patient portal that will get them all the information that they need. They can contact the provider directly, they can contact our staff directly, as easy as sending an email. We are here to help you with all of your pain needs, but we're hoping that a few treatment options can get you back to doing the things that you like. Please call us at Integrated Pain Consultants. We look forward to answering any of your questions and helping you with your chronic pain needs.